Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm providing the solution of this question from textbook spreadsheet modeling and decision analysis for question number 14 of chapter number 2. Oakton Manufacturing makes two types of rocking chairs specifically designed for man and woman known as the his and her models. Each chair requires 4 legs and 2 rockers, but different numbers of wooden dowels. So in this question, they have provided the constraints here in this paragraph. And this question is asking 3 parts. First is the formulation of an LP model for this problem, and then we need to sketch the feasible region. Then finally in the part C, we need to find the optimal solution. So for the formulation and the feasible reason of sketching that diagram, so I've used Excel, and in that Excel I created the graph and formulate the LP model of this problem. So let me go back to the Excel. So here's the Excel. This one is our constants, and the aim is to maximize. So this one is maximum 10 x1 and x2, 12x plus 12x2. This one is our maximization, and x1 and x2 is the variables that I have defined for the chairs to produce and her chairs to produce for x2. So now here this one is the part A formulation. Then in part B and C, the graph and the optimal solution. So I've created the graph, and these all are the constants that I created from here. And then this one, I took some Excel calculations, and after then I reached this graph. And this graph is, I created using Excel graph. And so these all are the constants. There are 5 constants here and all are defined. And the shaded portion, which is of blue color, is the optimal solution. So to get this Excel file, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp and maybe my email address. So both of the details I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So you can just reach me out. And thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.